Labels display important data about the specimen, including the collection event, location, date, collector and method, the species name, and other determinations, and sometimes a registration number. Labelling methods and materials may vary considerably throughout the collection. Many of the labels are very fragile, as the paper or card used may be acidic, poorly manufactured, or very old. As with the specimens, there are labelling issues which may include the following. Labels can be handwritten or printed, and some may be very difficult to read. Loose labels can swing on the pin and may damage adjacent specimens. To make the label more secure, it is possible to gently push the paper fibres back to enclose the hole. Labels which have been removed and then reattached to pins by users often have multiple holes which can obscure data. As it is important not to make a new hole in the label and obscure the data, it is best to use a hole that does not cover the writing or make the text hard to read. Large labels can create a risk of damage to other specimens. Sometimes a folded label needs to be carefully unfolded. A microscope slide may be used to weigh down the label to photograph. After the image has been taken, it is important to refold the label the same way and replace the pin in the holes that have already been made. The order of multiple labels is of historical interest, and they should always be replaced in the same order within which they were taken off the pin. Multiple labels should be spaced appropriately on the pin and not bunched together. The orientation of the labels should consider the shape of the insect and whether the labels will interfere with or damage adjacent specimens. There may be labels that have information written on the back. In these cases, the label needs to be photocopied, cut out neatly and imaged alongside the label right side up.